If you are looking for an amazing metal detector with everything you possibly need to find some treasure, you're absolutely going to love this one. It comes with absolutely everything you need. This is the main unit right here. This is going to be the stick right here. That's the detector piece right there. That's your arm. It even comes with the batteries, which is great. You get a headset. You get this shovel right here and a case to carry the shovel. And then you get a bag to put everything in. So this was super easy to set up. So we're gonna take this for a spin right now. So you can see I just put my hand right in there, and then I have this screen right here. There's all sorts of different modes right here. So when you're going over something, you could see exactly what it is. And then if you wanted to put the light on so you could see a little better, you could definitely do that. It turns blue, it's light out, so it's a little different. You could just see we're going around here, not really seeing anything, but then as soon as we kind of stumble over here, it's looking like we got a little screw down here, and then over here looking like we got a little key over here. So you'll just kind of see, and then we have this right over here. So as it gets closer to that, you'll see it is going like crazy. So it's going to show you kind of the value that it could potentially bring. Really, really cool. There's a lot of different stuff you could do with this. But if you're looking for a great metal detector set that has everything you need, definitely check this out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.